Hi, this is INFINX Hot 30 and I'll show you how to switch on flashlight on this device. So first open the control panel and here find the torch icon. Click on this icon and now we can see that the flashlight successfully activated. If you want to turn it off, click on the torch icon once again. We get here option to change the flashlight on our device from the back one to the front one, or to use the two flashlights together, to use them both, the front, the back one, in just the same way time. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.